Hello friends, I am Rahul. Welcome to Brand Pro. This is OnePlus 10 Pro. There have many attractive feature. OnePlus 10 Pro is unleash the power of 5G powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. The 10 Pro is capable of blazing fast 5G speeds. 5G network only compatible with TMO, Verizon, Google Fi, Mint Mobile, 5G available in select areas. Powerful triple camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad featuring a primary 48MP Sony IMX sensor. The 10 Pro captures stunning natural colors, can shoot up to 8K video. Capture the bigger picture with a 150 degrees ultra-wide camera. A versatile 50MP ultra-wide sensor shoots with an expansive 150 degrees field of view, enabling you to take your creativity to a whole new level. OnePlus billion color solution for photography. The 10 Pro can process 64x more color information with the new OnePlus billion color solution, allowing you to capture and reproduce the most accurate colors. Smart 120Hz display with LTPO 2.0. The stunning 6.7-inch QHD Plus screen can adjust refresh rate dynamically from 1 Hz up to 120 Hz. Delivering a fluid user experience with optimized battery performance. The best performance for mobile gaming enthusiasts. HyperBoost gaming engine takes your gaming to the next level by optimizing graphics performance, along with a next-gen heat dissipation system, making the 10 Pro an excellent choice for mobile gamers. Charge forward with 65W fast charging / 50W wireless charging. Get a day's power in 15 minutes with 65W Super VOC charging and in 30 minutes with 50W wireless charging. Large 5000 mAh battery. Spend less time connected to your charger with a massive 5000 mAh battery, perfect for power users. Alexa hands-free capable. Download the Alexa app to use Alexa hands-free. Play music, make calls, hear news, open apps, navigate, and more, all using just your voice, while on the go. If your device is not receiving text messages or experiencing error when making phone calls, you need to contact carrier's technical support to add CDMA-less feature. Included components: OnePlus 10 Pro, 65W SuperVOOC power adapter, Type-C cable, quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, SIM tray ejector, USB dongle, Type A to Type-C. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy this phone, please collect the purchase link from the video description.